Welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Substack newsletter. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you delete or remove an admin or a team member from your Substack newsletter? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Why would you want to delete or remove a team member from your Substack anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you run an online business, you know that you probably work with a lot of VAs or assistants, and sometimes they decide to go their own way. So you need to remove admin access. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Substack dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Substack newsletter dashboard, and this is the home screen. Here on the home screen, if you want to remove admin access or remove a team member, here on the top, you're going to click on settings. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on team. Okay, once you click on team, you're going to see all of the admins or team members that you have invited. And off to the right, to the team member that you would like to delete, like this one right here, you're going to click on these three dots. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and click on delete or remove. This is a pending team member, so it says cancel. This is because they haven't accepted the invitation yet. So I'm going to click on cancel. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that team member has been removed, so they can no longer perform admin access in my Substack community. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a team member or an admin in your Substack, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.